Hi, this is Brian with OOTI, and this is the shaving cream that I'm going to use right now to shave my face. This is the famous Comfort Glide formula that Gillette have right now. This is a foamy, sensitive skin shave foam that I'm using. So as you can see, it's very easy to use. You don't need much, just a little bit. This is perfect for sensitive skin people like me. So if you're preparing for a meeting, go ahead and get this one, and also get a nice razor because it goes one with the other. Those two are a team. So once you get a nice razor, you'll be done. And remember to not glide your skin more than once or 2 times. And that's that. I just shaved my skin. I don't have any hair on my face. Soft like a baby. And thanks to this sensitive skin shaving cream from Gillette. So if you're looking for a great companion for your razor, you can use this one not even in the morning. I just use it in the afternoon after a shower. So just give this one a try. You're going to minimize the ingrowns, but that's my point of view.